Right, evening guys. So I'm just going to give this 53170 a quick grease up. Haven't been done for a few weeks, so and they're coming out to do a safety inspection on it later on, so I thought I'd give it a quick check over anyway, so I might as well grease it. So yeah, basically for the insurance purposes it has to have 6 monthly checks, because I think it's only because it lifts up the man platform, you know, for lifting people up. That's why it has to be done. The grease nipple in here on the main pivot. I'll just put a new cartridge in this gun. It's not quite bled up yet. I've been looking at getting up one of those Milwaukee battery, come on, guns. Fed up with doing this. These things always get air in them. It's a pain in the neck. Come on. There's nothing going in there right now, it's just air, pumping air. Oh, there we go, look. She's bled up now. Right, and then we've got one here on this big ram. So, yeah, so I know this video will probably be a bit boring for most, as a lot of you see this sort of thing every day, but I do get requests for some, you know, unedited maintenance videos, so I thought I'd do that and put it up on a midweek video. So that's them 4 done in there. They've got hydraulic oil, sight glass there, that's fine. And we've got grease nipples on these hubs, hopefully you can see alright. It's a bit dark in here. I've got it in this grain store shed because I've been doing some work on the combine, which you'll see on Monday. But also because it's really windy outside. It's horrible out there. It was tipping it down with rain yesterday. It's really windy today. So yeah, we've got, oh, it's got bloody air again. Oh, this is John Deere grease cartridges, and they always have loads of air in them. Go on, you bugger. No, he's not going to go. So you have to pull that back out again. I guess there is a bleed nipple on the bleed screw on the top there. Right, I haven't got a spanner. It's 10 or 11 mil. I haven't got one on me right now. Just poke that in to let the air out, and it should just go. Come on, you piece of junk. Right. Yeah, because I know a lot of people that watch my videos don't even have anything to do with farms or tractors, so they like to see this sort of stuff. I think there's a grease nipple on this steering joint here as well, somewhere. Oh yeah, on the front. So the other thing that I've done is I went out pigeon shooting on Saturday with my mate Robbie, and yeah, I took the camera with me, and I got up at R5 this morning and put a video together before work, and it's uploading as we speak. So once you finish watching this, if you go and look up my other channel, it's called Andy Shooting Rampton, and if you look see the latest video, you should be able to see me shooting some pigeons and Eric chasing some pigeons, and that was a windy day as well. But yeah, we had a good day. It was brilliant fun. So yeah, if you're into that, want to see some shooting, go and look at that. I'll try and put a link to it in the description. Might as well let me do these whilst we're here. There's quite a few grease nipples on this machine. And in here, on all the pins and bushes and that sort of stuff. Yeah, I don't put the shooting videos on this channel because they'll demonetize me. They usually don't really like shooting videos. I can put them up, but they just won't monetize them. So I just put them on a separate channel. So that one. I think there's one down here. I will make some more shooting videos in the future when I get time. I want to get a night vision camera, like night vision video camera, because quite often go out on the weekend at night time shooting rabbits and foxes. So I go down the local golf course shooting their rabbits because they got rabbit problems. And yeah, foxes on the farm in the summer, so it's quite good fun fox shooting when just as you got the crops off out on the stubble, because I've got a pulsar thermal imaging unit, like this little monocular. So you look through it with one eye. It's a thermal unit, so you can see detect any heat sources out in the field, and that will detect a man-sized object up to 800 meters. So we've done that side, headstock. Have to get underneath this back bit actually and do this axle because it's pivoting rear axle. Yeah, and then I've got a night vision scope on my 243 and my 22 actually. I've got night vision scopes on both of them. Oh, another bloody hell. Do it again. Should really go and get a 11mm spanner and undo that bleed screw really, but right, so we've done axle, back, front axle. There's a dog gone. Here he is. Hello buddy. Start her up and put the boom in the air. quickly run up here and grease this one, because it takes less time to grease the ram than it does to actually put the ram stop in. So we might as well just quickly grease it and run. It won't come down anyway because it's got a check valve in the system. So if the pipe does burst, the ram won't move anyway because there's a special valve in it. Pretty sure it's called a check valve. What have we got in here? So that's all the greasing done, I think. And here we've got coolant level, transmission oil level, engine oil level, and all the radiator and stuff like that. This thing must be coming due for a service soon, I guess. I don't think I've done it for a while, for about a year. Easiest way on these to find the hours is put the light switch on. 2,789. Oh, so still a couple of 100 hours off. Maybe it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't a year. I think it was last summer, wasn't it, that I last serviced this. Yeah, so that's it. How long have we been going for? I've got you on me cap. Let's see. 11 minutes and 52 seconds. That'll make a nice little video. So yeah, like I said, it's 53170, 60 free plate, I think. Yeah, 2013, 53170. So it lift 3.1 tons, and it reach out 7 meters. So we'll quickly close this up. Probably check the lights and stuff like that. Put the boom out. Maybe quickly put a bit of grease on the boom sliders. I know a lot of people use wax oil, but grease seems to work pretty well. So I have a bit of grease on there, make it all run nice and smoothly. There we go. Job's a good one. Yeah, right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on Monday. Thanks for watching, bye for now.